Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove this "Let's finish setting up your device" window that pops up after a Windows update. I'm using the latest version of Windows with the updates, and this window has been recently been popping up. You need to go to the settings, so click on the Windows button and then click on the wheel icon, which is settings. Click on the system button, then click on notifications and actions. You see that suggest ways I can finish setting up my device is selected. Just deselect that. If you've got any of the other two selected as well, make sure everything is turned off, and that's what I did. If this video helped, give it a like and subscribe to the channel.